The four M's in Tagalog, well, I'm sure not a lot of people heard this, especially the foreigners. However, the four M's is very popular in the Philippines. So the four M's in Tagalog means magsasaka, mangingisda, mangangalakal, and manggagawa. Magsasaka means farmers, mangingisda means fishermen, mangangalakal means traders, and manggagawa means workers. Oops, I'm totally kidding, guys. That's not exactly what it means. So the four M's really means matandang, mayaman, madaling, mamatay. Filipinos use these terms to address Filipinas who married an older guy. The reason why some Filipinas, not all but some, marry an old guy because of four M's. Matanda means old, mayaman means rich, madali means fast or very fast, mamatay means dead or die. So if you convert the four M's in English, it means if you marry an old guy, they will die faster. Guys, don't take this seriously, okay? Because this is just a cliche. Not just Filipinas who married a guy with four M's, there are many other women out there too around the world. Okay, so now you know. Mwah!